got your little ways to hurt me. You know just how to tear me up. Leave me in small pieces on the ground. And you got your little ways to hurt me. They're not too big, but they're real tough. Just one call luck from you can knock me down. To look at you and me, no one would ever know the pain that I've endured, 'cause I won't let it show. There've been rumors about the truth, but I've kept it quiet, 'cause I'm too ashamed to let them know you made me cry. And you got your little ways to hurt me. You know just how to tear me up. Leave me in small pieces on the ground. Yes, you got your little ways to hurt me. They're not too big, but they're real tough. Oh, can one call up from you can knock me down. What do you think, JD? That sadness in me should somehow be closed, but no one here would ever suspect sweet little you. Well, my friends would laugh out loud if they only knew, well, the truth about how I am just your little sick fool. And you got your little ways to hurt me. You know just how to tear me up. Leave me in small pieces on the ground. Yes, you got your little ways to hurt me. They're not too big, but they're tough. Just one long look from Cody will knock me down. Come on, son. Got your little ways to hurt me. You know just how to tear me up. Leave me in small pieces just like Carmine. Yes, you got your little ways to hurt me. They're not too big, but they're real tough. One call up from you can knock me down. Back to 5, y'all. Your little wings, she'll knock me to the ground. One more, y'all. Your little ways, she'll knock me to the ground.
Well, we're back up here at Carmine's Country Corner up here at Bob Smith Toyota. And as you can see, we got a full lineup because this is our 4th year anniversary show. Now, there's a little something going on here tonight that means a lot to the boys in the band. First thing is, just got to get the steel guitar tuned. No. Which is a good thing to do. I'm going to tune mine in a minute. Anyway, right now, 4 years ago on May 20th, if you go way back, there's a Carmine's Country Corner show. That was our first show that we had a guest artist. And the guest artist we had was my good friend Ricky Z. Yeah. So I called Ricky and said, you know, it's going to be 4 years. And today's the 19th. Tomorrow's actually the 20th. But I said, that's obviously close enough. So I'd love to have you open the show. And
Then leave.
I didn't think it would last this long. I got to tell you, Ricky. I mean,
I'm glad I didn't jinx it.
You haven't at all, believe me. And he's done the show 4 or 5 times in the last 4 years. Anyway, off and on he'd come up. Now, Gary Swan is going to be gone about 3 or 4 weeks. So this weekend we got Kurt Freeze with us, Keyboard Freeze or whatever he calls his name, and. I've known him quite a few years. The biggest thing he and I did about 13, 14 years ago was we did a show called Always Patsy Cline, and Marie Wise Hawkins did the singing. She was the main character. She played Patsy Cline, and that was a great show. We had a lot of fun, didn't we?
Absolutely.
And then, of course, we've worked through the years, and her partner in crime, Deanna D'Amico, is here tonight and going to get up and do some stuff with us. So that's kind of cool. We'll add a little lady to the group, and that'll be some fun. Yeah. And, of course, we have J.D. Menace. Thank you, J.D., for coming up. We love you. Cody Bryant. Now, he's done the show all kind. In fact, I got to tell you about Cody real quick, because I think you were our very second guest. You were. So you were very close to being first. But anyway, Ricky somehow beat you on that one. I don't know how. But anyway,
Sneaky.
Cody, we love you. You've always supported the show. You support the Sato brothers. He's been so good to my family, and we're happy to have you.
Well, my career just went like after that second show.
Well, you know, thank you. Now there's a segment of John Palmer.
Yeah, baby.
And how's it going? Palmer's our drummer, holding it all together. I love having him here with us. I'm so honored he shows up every week. You know, these guys don't make a whole lot of money doing this. This is more of a love thing than a money thing, believe me. But we have a lot of fun doing it. And Paul.
Carmine.
The family.
Family's good.
Every week I have to ask Paul how the family's doing because that's a pretty important thing.
We were out at the Topanga Banjo and Fiddle
Oh my God!
festival contest this morning, and Isla got her face painted like a pink kitty cat.
See, you see.
That was good.
Now that's the important stuff.
That was the good.
That
was a
is
good thing.
great.
And I was playing upright bass, and now I have the blisters to prove it.
Well, while you were at Topanga doing that bluegrass thing, I was up at Pine Mountain playing with Ron Coleman.
Oh, all right.
We had a gig from 11:30 to 1:30.
Wow.
And he never left the stage. We just played for 2 straight hours, and then I got in the car and come down and set this thing up and got this show going.
All right.
So, you know, we like to play and have
So
fun.
you had a morning show with Ron.
Yeah,
That's
Ron Coleman.
Wonderful.
Yeah, it was fun. We had a good time. Cody, what have you been doing?
Just this and that.
Well, that sounds like more than what I've been doing.
I heard you play square dances.
Yeah.
Oh,
Paul and I did a square dance Friday night. Fun.
Yeah.
you know, when you stop and think about it, the square dancing thing that was actually the first original rap music. If you go back and listen to it, you're going to see it's the same thing.
I get it.
You know, they were doing it first, but that's kind of what it is. That's what it is. Okay, Ricky, do us another one, and then we're going to toss it around a little bit, then we'll get Deanna up and get this thing going. Okay, go ahead.
Let's try the I Hope. Y'all got paper right behind you, JD.
They got charts, and I'm not going to use one. But
Yeah,
I'll
coming
be
on the
okay.
chorus, you know, be a. Just as a song in G, we're just us here. Y'all come on the chorus, it'll be good. Monday morning, I hear the preacher say, but thou shalt not kill. I don't wanna hear nothing else about killing, and that is God's will. 'Cause our children are watching us, they depend on us, they're gonna be like us. So it's alright, learn from history when we're peacefully. Come on, y'all. 'Cause I hope for some love, joy, and laughter. I'll have more than you ever need. I'll be more happy ever after. We can live more fearlessly, and we can lose all this pain and misery. I hope now. Oh, Rosie, her boy gets too rough, but all he can say is he's a good man. He don't need no harm, he was just brought up that way. But our children are watching us, they depend on us, they're gonna be like us. It's alright to disagree, we can work it out peacefully. I hope they'll promote joy and laughter. You have more than you ever need. I hope you have more happy ever afters. We can live on fearlessly. We can lose all this pain and misery. Bridge, y'all. There must be a way to change what's going on. Though I don't have all the answers, and I hope you have more joy and laughter. You have more than you'll ever need. I hope there'll be more happy ever afters, and we can live on fearlessly. Yeah, we can lose all this pain and misery. Come on, JD, talk. Come on, Cody. Of course now. Well, I hope for more love, joy, and laughter. You have more than you ever need. Well, I hope you have more happy ever afters. We can live on fearlessly. can lose all this pain and misery. Oh, check that coat out, boy.
Good song. Who did that? Did you write that, or is that?
Well, you know,
You wish you did.
I wish I did.
Yeah, well, that's
I
another
could go to
one
the
of
bank a little
those.
bit-
Another one of "Wish I Did" songs.
Cab Mo and the Dixie Chicks.
Great,
In that song.
great song. Beautiful. Jeez, God. Okay, we're here at Bob Smith Show, Yoda, and we're gonna do country music. We might go a little over tonight if that's okay with the boys. We'll see how it feels. We got some little cupcakes over there and all kinds of little soft drinks and water and stuff like that for the.
That's what I call
We got
Deanna. I
bunch
call her a little cupcake.
She is a little cupcake, and so we got a few people here tonight. We got Kim at the controls, and of course Dan Hugart helping us keep the ship away from the rocks. And believe me, a few times the rocks have been there, and I'm gonna tell you. Anyway, okay, wait. Susie wants something. What?
Oh, there it
Oh,
goes.
Katie,
see?
we love you, and I wish you were here. Jeez, did Sunny get here yet? She's here. Where's? Oh my God, I didn't even see you. Well, there's so many pretty faces. It's just another one. You know, they're all good. Gary's watching. Gary, we love you. We miss you, but I have to tell you, Gary, we finally got a professional piano player. Finally. He knows I'm kidding. I love Gary Swan. He's my brother. Anyway, okay, Paul.
All right.
Let's do a song. Deanna, get ready. You're coming up after this, okay, honey? We'll get you to do a couple, and then we'll go from there.
G.
You got it, boys.
We'll go around. 1, 2, 1. She swore if I ever deceived her, she'd be gone before I could count 10. I guess that I did not believe her. Now just look at the trouble I'm in. Well, she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, the faster the train flies farther on down the track. Ricky. Every right to be happy when I lost the good love I'd found. She swore that she'd leave and she left me before my first tear hit the ground. And she's gone. tick of the clock's a reminder that she's 1 second farther from me. Now she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, the faster the train flies farther on down. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, the faster the train flies farther on down the track. Yeah, the more that I cry, the faster the train flies farther on down the track.
That's a good song. Don McGinnis used to do that song at the Crest
Oh yeah, I'll bet he
years ago. Come on up, Deanna. Deanna was so nice to say, if Kurt's going to play piano, can I come sing a couple of songs? I said, you don't need him to play piano to come up here and sing a couple of songs. Come up anytime you want to.
Carmen, I love you. That's
Well,
why.
I love you too. You know that. You're a doll. You
Thanks
know,
for having
I don't know how many years it's been since I met this young lady, but I remember the night I met her. I walked into the Viva Cantina, and you were doing a duo, I think, with Kurt.
yeah.
And it was sounding so good, and I was sitting there, and of course I kind of knew Kurt. I did not know you. And they said, and Kurt said, well, get your guitar, maybe it'll be okay. And I sat in the whole night with him, and we had so much fun.
And then you came back for more.
Yes. And we've been playing off and on together ever since.
We've been friends ever since. He's
Yep.
the best.
And we love you. Okay, tell the boys what you're gonna do and just do
Well,
it.
I'm a woman. I just changed my mind. I'm gonna do Jackson and C because I'm gonna Kurt. This is Kurt Keys Freeze. We've been singing together for a long time, so let's do a duet. Let's start with Jackson. Are you ready, Johnny? Are you ready?
I'm ready to.
I didn't think you were. 1, 2, 1. We got married in a fever, hotter than a pepper sprout. We been talking about Jackson.
Ever since the fire went out, I'm going to Jackson. I'm gonna mess around.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm going to Jackson. Well, look out, Jackson Town.
Well, go on down to Jackson. Go ahead and wreck your hell. Go play your hand, you big talking man. Make a big fool of yourself. Yeah, go to Jackson. Go comb your hair.
Honey, I'm gonna snowball Jackson.
Well, see if I care.
When I breeze into that city, people gonna stoop and bow.
Oh, really?
All them women gonna make me teach them what they don't know how. I'm going to Jackson. Turn loose on my coat. Yeah, I'm going to Jackson.
Ah, well, goodbye, that's all she wrote. But they'll laugh at you in a Jackson. And I'll be dancing on a pony cake. Well, they'll lead you around town like a scalded hound with your tail tucked between your legs. Yeah, go to Jackson. what you got. Hurricane Freeze. Come on, Ricky, give me some. Come on, let's give it up for this incredible band. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. This is such an honor to be with these incredible musicians. Oh my God, Carmine. All right, Johnny, are you ready to take it home?
I'm ready, June.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, and we got married in a fever, hotter than a pepper sprout. We've been talking about Jackson ever since the fire went out. I'm going to Jackson, and that's a fact. Yeah, we're going to Jackson. Ain't never coming back. I can see that.
Ain't never coming back.
One more. Ain't never coming back. Thank you. That was so much fun. These guys are so good.
You got one more in you?
Sure.
Well, let's
Woo.
do it.
How about a little Blue Bayou, a little Linda Ronstadt for my girl Susie. Okay. Ah, yeah. I need to breathe. I feel so bad, I got a worried mind. I'm so lonesome all the time. Since I left my baby behind on Blue Bayou, saving nickels, saving dimes, working till the sun don't shine. I'm looking forward to happier times on Blue Bayou. I'm going back someday, come what may, to Blue Bayou, where the folks are fine and the world is mine. On Blue Bayou, where those fishing boats, where they sail afloat. If I I'd be. I wanna see my baby again. I wanna be with some of my friends. Maybe I'll feel better again on Blue Bayou. Saving nickels, saving dimes, working till the sun don't shine. Looking forward to happier times on Blue Bayou. Sing with me. I'm going back someday. Come what may to Blue Bayou, where the folks are fine and the world is mine on Blue Bayou, where those fishing boats, where they sail afloat. If I could only see that familiar sunrise through sleepy eyes, how happy I'd be. Mr. J.D. Manis, please. Oh, that boy of mine by my side, the silver moon and the evening time. Oh, some sweet day gonna take away this hurting inside. Well, I'd never be blue, my dreams come true on Blue Bayou. Thank you so much. It was fun. I love you, Carmine. Thank you. This band is incredible. Oh my gosh. Thank you.
You know, she never lets me down. Every time I hear her sing, I fall a little bit more in love with her. Sound great. Let's do one. I'm going to do one. Key of D. Everybody follow this. It's simple. Blue and broken-hearted me. I'm holding to memory. Since you've been gone, I hear, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken-hearted. Yes, the whole And I never felt so down and out. Never felt so all without. Since she's been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted. hurts, Ricky, it hurts. Since she's been gone, no matter what I try to do, it's blue and broken hearted. Still, one more time. Felt so down and out. Never felt so all without. Guys sound good, don't they? Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, Cody, blue, broken hearted, play one. Broken-hearted me, I choked myself. That solo just killed me, Ricky. I love you. If I had you, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. If I had you, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. I'm all right. It wasn't that. Thank you. Where are we? Ricky, do another one.
Oh, let's do the Hank.
Let's do it.
But you know, this rides him up. How about a little bit of this? Little boogie.
Hey!
Well, I'm a lonely song, all alone and lost. But the life of sin, Lord, I pay the cost. When I walk back, all the people say, just a lonely guy on that lost highway. Just a deck of cards and a jug of wine. In a woman's life, Lord, make a life like mine. The day we met, oh, I went astray. Started running down that lost highway with Cody Bryant. Come on. just a lad, nearly 22. Neither good nor bad, Lord, just a kid like you. But now I'm gone, Lord, it's too late to turn. Started running down that lost highway off Pioneer. Traveling around all under sin. That road I said, Lord, Lord, you're trouble bound. Take my advice, or you'll curse the day. Started running down that lost highway. 'Cause I'm a rolling stone, all alone and lost. Ain't for good no bad. Pay the cost. When I pass by, Lord, the people say, we're gonna run the guy down that lost highway. Just another guy down that lost highway. Just another guy down the lost highway. Love song. Well, you ask.
You want to sing one?
All righty, let's do.
We'll get Kurt Fries to sing a song.
Let's do Brazos Locos in the QV.
I love that song. If I knew what it meant, I'd be a lot happier.
151, the intro.
Thanks for watching, folks. I hope you're having as much fun as we are, because it's fun on a Sunday. Every Sunday from 6 to 7, I get some of my good friends and great musicians, a lot of them, certainly this bunch tonight, and we have a lot of fun. And JD, thank you so much. Okay, you're playing. You have improved 1,000%. I just want you to know that.
Another Carmine success story. This guy, yeah.
I could tell you a great JD story. Happened at the Palomino Club to me. Over 50 years ago, and but we became good friends and have been friends for at least that long, with Al Bruno and Archie Francis and Gene Davis and Red Rhodes and all the guys that were hanging out back then. We had a lot of fun, didn't we, JD? It was good. The Imperial Inn, the Holiday 2, all those places. Jeez. And what was the guy that played steel that smoked like a fiend? Carl Walden. Was it Walden? Walden, and I got to play with him with Sammy Masters quite a few times. I'd subbed it. Did you ever get to do that gig, Paul?
I never did that.
Oh, man. And Carl is he still around? I'm scared to even ask. Is he? Yeah, he's a music teacher. Well, he taught me a lot, but it wasn't about music. But anyway, so he must have picked up something new along the way. But he was a cool cat, wasn't he? And he played good, and he smoked like a fiend. He had cigarettes on every string, I think. In case one burned out, he'd pick up another one. But he was a good guy. Did you have a story about JD? Yeah, but I'm not going to tell it tonight. It's pretty ugly. No, it was all in good fun. We had a great time. What are you going to say, Sue? I'm going to say Tom Wilson wants to know why you haven't mentioned his contributions. Well, I haven't done what? Tom Wilson he's kind of the rock that holds this whole thing together. And I leaned on this guy so much. He was a good friend of my son Jason's, and he knows all about video, and he's a very smart guy. He's been in the business for years. And when I was didn't know what to do, I called him and Kim. She said, I'll learn it with him. And Tom taught you a lot, didn't he? And he got Kim going, and now she's and then I got Dan involved later, and so we got a pretty good crew right now. The ship's running pretty smooth. So thank God, and Tom Wilson had a big part of helping us get this, keep it going. Okay, who's doing what tonight? Paul, you want to do it? Oh, Kurt Fries, yes. Come on.
All right, here we go. 151 TV. One, two. Now blue ain't the word for the way that I feel, and the storms are brewing in this heart of mine. This ain't no crazy dream, I know that it's real. You're someone else's love now, you're not mine. Crazy arms that reach to hold somebody new. For my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine. My troubled mind knows soon to another you'll be wed. And that's why I'm lonely all the time. So lonely, listen to this. So please take the treasured dreams I had for you and me, and take all the love I thought was mine. Someday my crazy arms may hold somebody new, but now I'm so lonely all the time. Crazy arms that reach to hold somebody new. For my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine. My troubled mind knows soon to another you'll be wed. And that's why I want to hear Carmine. JD, go ahead. All right, now listen up. So please, take those treasure dreams I had for you and me, and take the pickup truck I thought was mine. Oh no. One day my crazy arms may hold somebody new, but now I'm so lonely all the time. Oh, now crazy troubled mind knows soon to your mother you'll be wed. And that's why I'm lonely all the time. Yes, sir, that's why I'm lonely all the time. Thank you.
Well, can we go? You guys mind if we go over a few minutes? Couple of more songs. You want more money? Is that what it is? They're ganging up on me
It's a
again.
union contract, man.
I know. Well, you know, it's okay. I'll owe it to you. Ricky, I guess let's do another one. Then maybe Deanna will come up, do one more. Then we'll get down and we'll close the show with something, and we'll be out of here. What do we got right now? Love it.
Cody, take us somewhere on the rhythm here. Give us a little love. Well, you got my number, and you know my name. So why don't you call me Little Liza Jane? You got that body, and you got that frame. So why don't you call me Little Liza Jane? Girl, I got it bad for you. There ain't nothing I won't do. Just one kiss and I'll never be the same. Little Liza Jane. Oh, come on. JD Madness, everybody. Well, girl, I got it bad for you. There ain't nothing in how I do. Just one kiss and I'll never be the same. Little Liza Jane. Oh, fuck it, y'all. Liza Jane. So why don't you call me little Liza Jane? So no, why don't you call me little Liza Jane? Oh, tell me, but who my little Liza Jane? Who my little Liza Jane? Who my little Liza Jane? Who my little Liza Jane?
Yeah, come on up. Do one more, then we're going to close it. We're only going to go maybe 10 after, 5, 10 after. Do whatever you want to
Two
do.
more bottles of wine?
Yes, do it.
Okay, two
Tell
more
the
bottles
boys
of
and
wine.
you know what to
D
do.
for Deanna.
Give
Little
it.
Emmy Lou. D for Deanna. All right.
Okay,
Yeah,
here we go.
We came out west together with a common desire. The fever we had, I might have set the West Coast on fire. 2 months later, got trouble in my mind. Oh, my baby moved out and left me behind. But it's alright, 'cause it's midnight and I got 2 more bottles of wine. Well, the way he left sure turned my head around. Oh, it seemed like overnight he just up and put me down. Ain't gonna let it bother me today. I've been a-working and I'm too tired anyway. But it's alright, 'cause it's midnight and I got 2 more bottles of wine. I'm 16 miles away from the people I know. Well, I've been doing all I can, but opportunity sure goes slow. Thought I'd be in the sun all day, but I'm waiting tables out in LA. But it's alright, 'cause it's midnight and I got 2 more bottles of wine. Oh, JD. Oh, I'm 1,600 miles from the people I know. Well, I've been doing all I can, but opportunity sure goes slow. Thought I'd be in the sun all day, but I'm waiting tables out in LA. But it's alright, 'cause it's midnight and I got 2 more bottles of wine. Yeah, 'cause it's alright, 'cause it's midnight and I got 2 more bottles of wine. Yeah, 'cause it's alright, 'cause it's midnight and I got 2 more bottles of wine. Yeehaw! Thank you.
Thank you, Deanna.
Thank you so much. I love you guys. Thanks for having
Thanks
me.
for coming up and singing with us. We'll do it again soon.
Absolutely.
Okay. Paul, you want to do one quick and then we'll let Ricky close it? We're only 2 minutes over. We're doing good. Uh-oh, I think JD's leaving. He's had enough. Yeah. I hope it pays. The Imperial Inn. You gotta go. Yeah, time's up. Time's up. Okay, Paul. Hey.
Dark Hollow.
Oh, what key?
A.
I love that song.
First change is a 5. Yep. You take the head. 1, 2. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be in this big city in a small room with a girl on my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be here alone knowing that you're gone would cause me to lose my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Piano, Kurt. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to see you another man's darling and know you can never be mine. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Yes, I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back.
Vicky, if you've got one quick closer, that'll put us about 12 minutes over, and I think the boys can stand that. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you had as much fun out there as we had up here. We had a lot of fun doing the show today. Cody, thank you. God bless you. Come back soon. We love you. You're part of the family. Okay, stop it now. You're done. Okay, yeah. Go in the back room. Okay. Cody, Brian. Oh, you want? Oh, no. Oh, can you stand 2 more? All right, okay. JD just looked at me and went, yeah, it's okay. Do a couple. I think he wants to play.
Where do I have to go?
I don't know. Paul's got nothing. Okay, go ahead, do your song, and then I'm going to close it with Clayton Delaney. We'll all get
As
the
long as JD's alarm doesn't go off, we're good.
That's
So-
What are we doing there, kid?
Little sister, little Elvis. Oh, little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you whisper once or twice. Tell them there's a thousand in you. Run. Little sister, don't you do what your big sister does. Well, I dated your big sister. Took her to the show. Long for some candy, a long candy and daddy, and I walked right out the door. Well, little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you know? Little sister, don't you kiss her once or twice? Tell me that there's nothing in you. Run. Little sister, don't you do what your sister does? JD Minus. Oh, come on. Your sister, well, her pigtail nose, but maybe you've been growing, Laurel, it's been showing. Well, I said I'd fuck with you. Well, little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Sister, don't you kiss me once or twice, 3 or 4 thoughts, and then you run. Well, little sister, don't you do your sister does, son. Don't you? Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you kiss me once or twice? Tell me that there's nothing in you wrong. Little sister, don't you do what your big sister do? I used to do this. Well, little sister, don't you do what your big sister do? don't you do, don't you do. Yeah.
It's almost like, wait, Susie's got one more thing to say. Go ahead, baby. Well, he missed the show. I called him at the last minute. That was my fault. He's what? He's in Bakersfield. Oh, he's probably playing up there with Spanky and the boys. I think they got a group called something Pistols. Tex Pistols, Sex Pistols. I don't know what they're called. Anyway, they're a good group. Good. Yeah, oh, that one guy plays really. They're all good. Okay. I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. And it made a big impression on me. Although I was a barefoot kid. Don't guess, sir. Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town. Thought he was a hero, used to follow Clayton around. And I often wondered why Clayton, who seemed so good to me, he never took his guitar and made it down in Tennessee. Pick it, J.E. Guess if I'd admit it, old Ricky Z taught me how to play guitar. I can see him half stone picking up the lovesick blues. And when Clayton died, I made him a promise. I said I'm gonna carry on somehow, and I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. Pick it, Ricky. He said he drank a lot and I could never understand. I was just a kid. I knew he picked up in Ohio with a 5-piece band. And when Clayton died, I made him a promise. I was gonna carry on somehow. I'd give him $100 right now if I could only show him what I love. The year Clayton Delaney died. Nobody ever knew it, but I went up in the woods and I cried. Now I know there's a lot of big preachers, and they know a lot more than I do. But it could be that the good Lord likes a little picking too. And I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. See you next week. Don't be late. That was our 20th and 4th anniversary. May 20th. Our 4th anniversary. 4 years doing this thing every Sunday. We're having a lot of fun. So we're going to keep it going. And Bart walked in the room. We'll get him up here. We'll have him as a guest star soon.